unboxing this Stanley Quencher H2O Flow State Tumbler 30 ounce 887 ml that I pre-order last February. This is the Dragon edition or Chinese New Year edition with dragon. This is what it looks like. Cream color. So it's 10 hours cold, 40 hours ice, 5 hours hot. So let's unbox this Stanley Chinese edition or Dragon edition of Stanley cup. So there's Stanley logo. This is original and authentic. So let's open it. So I think it includes some freebies. This is a cover of the straw. Wow. This is in our pre-order this include an accessories for this Stanley Flow State Quencher H2O Flow State Tumbler 30 ounce 887 ml. So let's unbox this Stanley cup. So let's unwrap this Stanley Quencher H2O Flow State Tumbler 30 ounce 887 ml. That I pre-ordered from Stanley Shop or Chris Sports Lazada Shop. I already unwrapped it. So this is what it looks like. The Stanley Chinese edition with dragons on the bottom. As you can see, Chinese edition. You cannot buy this anywhere. This is authentic Stanley cup that I bought it in Stanley store or Chris Sports Lazada Shop. As you can see, love it. So it's brand new. So it's Stanley. Wow, love it. So you can buy your original authentic Stanley cup, Stanley tumbler at Chris Sports stores and Chris Sports Lazada Shop. You can buy this at Stanley Shop at Lazada or Shopee. You can buy a 13 ounce or 40 ounce, but not this edition. It's only this February or during this Chinese New Year. And since I pre-order, I got some accessories for my Stanley cup. I got some cover for my straw. Thank you, Stanley Lazada Shop or Chris Sports Lazada Shop. Since I waited so long, they gave me this Stanley original cover for my straw. So happy shopping!